The rain's coming in now, slanted, because of rain and wind. If you can kind of see it, we're kind of coming in slanted now. Oh my God, we're going up. All right, this is going to be basically me just doing it. Guys, send as many tacos as possible. I'm going to dance through this. I usually don't talk, but I mean, hey, we're at this spot. This is where we're at, guys. Send tacos. If there's umbrellas, send those too. Oh my God. Okay, that's cool. Oh, this is just taking shots of water here. It's just drink it down. Make it rain. Oh, it's too much. God, okay. God, that was not a prayer for more rain. That was just okay, it's around that corner. It's not good. Around that corner is not good. This is where it's good. It's in the back. It's good. It's bad. And then around this corner, it's football weather here. This is what you do, guys. This is what you guys do in Buffalo. We don't do this in the Southern California. This is the northern weather. All right, I'll give you some views. Oh, this is nice stuff. I drank a lot of water on that.